What's up, everybody? I'm Brigitte Bidet, and I'm about to show you all the things that I slap on my face to get pretty. Even though we're putting on big fake eyelashes, we want to curl our natural lashes just so there's not some dusty little flat thing under where our fake eye starts and our real eye begins, ends, I don't know. So this is an amazing little eyelash curler from Miss Sally Hansen. She is petite and can fit in your makeup bag. This part right here changes out so you can clean it and not be giving yourself styes unintentionally. Just wrap it around where your eyelashes are. Press gently and hold. Let's see what it's like. So easy. It feels a bit like a medieval contraption when you first start, but once you have it as part of your routine, you realize it's easy and necessary, and every person should have it.